How to see messages on Instagram without seeing on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to see messages on Instagram without seeing on iPhone. So let's begin. Just a disclaimer, this method might not be 100% accurate, so you should try it first using a dump account or your second account and also your main account. So let's proceed. First is by making sure first that your Instagram app is up to date. So if your Instagram app is not up to date, make sure to go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and then search for Instagram and click on the update button if it is available. Once you have updated your Instagram, simply open it and then you may now go to the messages section right here, found on the upper right corner of the screen. And then once you're here, make sure to swipe down like this one so that all of the messages will be loaded. And then what you're going to do next is to put your phone into airplane mode. So to do that, go to your control center and then go to this airplane button right here, click on it, and then you may now open your um, message right here. So make sure that the Wi-Fi and the cellular data has been turned off. And then you open it, and then you may be able to see their message. And then go back, and what you're going to do is go to your profile, go to the three lines found on the upper right corner, and then go to settings, scroll to the bottom, and click on log out right here. So again, this might not be 100% accurate, so you should try it out first. So once you have logged out, then you may now start restarting your phone, and then once you have restarted your phone, you may now connect back to the internet and then open your Instagram and log in with your account once again. So that's it. That's how you can see messages on Instagram without seeing on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.